On Thursday, 7th April 2022, a delegation of the Khasi Students' Union West Jaintia Hills had met Education Minister Lakmen Rimbui to submit a memorandum of demands with regards to lack of facilities at the Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai. The demands of the KSU West Jaintia Hills Circle included the appointment of teachers and office staff in the higher secondary morning section of the school, enhancement of salary to existing teachers, and also proper infrastructure to cater to educational needs of the students. Speaking to reporters after the submission of the memorandum, the president of the KSU West Jaintia Hills Circle, Laipar Singkrem, informed that Education Minister Lakmen Rimbui has assured the union that the department would do all it can in its capacity to address issues related to lack of infrastructure and other irregularities in the Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai. He also informed that as per discussion with the Education Minister, it was informed that the government is finding it very difficult to pay pending salary of school teachers, and to cater to infrastructural development would be a greater challenge. Singkrem therefore urged upon the government to look into the matter so as to improve and upgrade the education system in the state.
Mentah kesingi kendo education minister. Ta halor kini ki aman ki report ki pengiyo na ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai. Ta ka asuransi ke ba ni kendo education minister iong ba nagaliang jong ka department kasyam jinge hadu kata-kata ban sim yang ni senjam andrei wat lagataru nagaliang jong ila ong ba insa persang kat bala kat kum ke jingla jong ki ni la ke jong kebor I ong ru ba watang ke tulok ban siwi ki no hikai kalong ke syam jinge andrei ban ni phai kini ki infrastructure bat ki manpower kumjo haki college bat ki school prepare long ke ba semjing ka sarkar nagaliang jong ka department ru bat u loong hak ba chwa bangin mi uong ba kumno to ngin persang khamtam mar ba gane gede ka spa ba jong ki khna bukan pulih tu skop kajing le jurip jong I hakitu ka khasan trik jong dober kipon hi hang tu kilong ba ka morning shift kinong kai ki ba kai tu ke school kiju kinong kai ki haban kai ka day but morning shift te menta ketar kali kemat ke bakongsan ke badai ru ke pon ke ba nangkong bangi pensengau ho tu ong ba ngin le nagaliang jong ke department ni ni ru ong ba insya yale kat bala ban le ngini teki pebun ki report ibadai bat ki jingle jongi tu sngi kumala pai biang mulai bladem teki science lab ki ngi iba kadang dunahi bat ki school library ngaduk ba ke sarkar kala bo ikitu ke school library kampat don hang tu ong ba I kenduk meni I minister ong ba ikitu la bo ik proposal kadon ha ka budget jongka government yong karin retaining wall try borok hi inong snong jong ka jela yo I ka jingtua jong tu ka kendrok hang tu usne mar jar arpo ha ka por slap mo try la yo I lut hi padi kitu ong ba la pha kita engineer ni hang tu ka tarik bala dep mo kumpunai la dep ki toilet kim ya hap so bingyong higher secondary nape ki toilet kim dei tang bat ki primary lower primary ki ba nakir ki dangba ki lower primary toilet ni compare ki toilet badon hang te hapo Government Boys Higher Secondary ki basketball court bat ki ni ki black topping I vice principal ong ba lapha ikni ke proposal letter akan new trick but apply trick jong January jong ni usnam tai kani ni place hai education besar bari ong ba select ikni taki habidai bat ke information technology ke tourism ikini angi bo kum ka price jongi mo ya ke sarkar hagi kat kum kajing pensya jongi kini ki atli ki benta kalong hakabat jet jongi lene kita mang tengka jongi ki padon te ong makat lakat yai benin pun le ban le stom ka lakat yai ban bahai kini to kadon ka kentin yang kiri champang ka ong ba kajing nang jing sat kedai kemi jong kajing long lidar te hakane ko por ngi na kliang jongi kum kusing ngi nanti kajing nanti jongi ngisnga ban pensngap pensngau ke sarkar ba kumnongin kemi lenti kita kinong nyelam kecela jongi lada ka pulai putih ke jongi ka hiardor dan kliang jongi hinga afrais ngi gerpat cur ke sarkar ba akan simkia ya gini ka department hamtam ha ka ba daibat pulai putih kelong ke bokong sandro kata ban kentiu ya ke ribat kecait pendriu jongi